Namaskar, I am Dr. Priyanka Sharma, plastic surgeon with HexaHealth. Today we are going to discuss about hymenoplasty. What is the hymen? The hymen is a thin membrane which surrounds the opening of vagina in all the females. The shape and the amount of tissue that is present in the hymen, it differs from female to female. This hymen does not block the passage of menstrual blood flow in any of the females, but it is a tissue which gets damaged due to various reasons, which we will see in the next question. How is the hymen damaged? Now, the hymen, which is also commonly known as the virgin tissue, is known to be most commonly damaged at the time of the first sexual intercourse. But it is also important to remember that this hymen can be damaged when excess of exercises such as cycling, gymnastics, or form of extreme workouts can also lead to damage of this delicate tissue.